Hello students, welcome to English lecture. Today we are going to discuss how to frame questions for the interviews. Students, you know that interviewing is a skill. If we take interview of any celebrity, then the questions that we put forth in that in the front of that person, they should be logical and they should have some meaning so that you can extract much information from that person. So that's why framing interview questions needs carefulness, and at the same time you should be grammatically correct in framing the questions. इंटरव्ह्यूचे क्वेश्चन्स आपण जेव्हा फ्रेम करतो तेव्हा आपल्या मनामध्ये एक प्रकारचं लॉजिकल थिंकिंग पाहिजे की कोणता प्रश्न पहिल्यांदा विचारला जावा आणि कोणता प्रश्न नंतर. अशा प्रकारे त्याची एक चांगली गुंफण, एक चांगली सिरीज आपण तयार केली पाहिजे की ज्याच्यामुळे आपल्याला समोरच्या माणसाच्या आयुष्याबद्दलचे अनेक पैलू आपल्याला कळून येतील. अशा प्रकारचे हे इंटरव्ह्यू क्वेश्चन्स पाहिजेत. म्हणजे क्वेश्चन्स शुड बी प्रोबिंग क्वेश्चन्स. दे शुड फाइंड आउट सम इन्फॉर्मेशन, मीनिंगफुल इन्फॉर्मेशन which is very necessary in the interview. So today we are going to discuss how to frame WH questions or yes no questions for taking interview of any celebrity person. Now first of all, the first step in interview is to greet the guest and introduce him or her. So ask permission for questions, then put questions and conclude the interview. So these are the steps in the interviewing question. So how to greet the guest and introduce him or her? So you can say like this: welcome sir, you are most welcome. Good morning, good afternoon or good evening sir or madam. Glad to meet you sir. So in this way you can begin your interview. Or you can say, hello, good afternoon madam, nice to meet you. So anyway you can use. Welcome Mr. Pawar. So you can take here the name of that person. Good evening. I am so happy to meet you and congratulations on your outstanding work for the society. So these are some ways to greet the guest. या पद्धतीने यापैकी कोणतीही एक पद्धत तुम्ही त्या गेस्टच्या वेलकमसाठी किंवा त्याला भेटण्यासाठी भेटल्यानंतर पहिल्यांदा वापरू शकता आणि दीज आर द वेज. ह्या सर्व पद्धतीने तुम्ही त्याच्याशी बोलू शकता. सो वाईल रायटिंग द फ्रेमिंग क्वेश्चन्स फॉर द इंटरव्ह्यू ऑर रायटिंग दीज क्वेश्चन्स यू हॅव टू स्टार्ट विथ दिस ग्रीटिंग. तुमच्या आन्सरमध्ये हे ग्रीटिंग तिथे असलं पाहिजे. फॉर्मॅट ऑफ फ्रेमिंग क्वेश्चन्स फॉर द इंटरव्ह्यू. सो आस्क परमिशन फॉर क्वेश्चन्स. सो इन दिस वे यू कॅन आस्क परमिशन. मे आय आस्क यू सम क्वेश्चन्स प्लीज? और मे आय आस्क यू सम क्वेश्चन्स अबाउट युअर लाईफ? Or I would like to ask some questions to you about your successful career in this field. In this way, you can start with. You can ask the permission of that particular person. Now about questions. Questions should be simple and easy to understand. They should not be complicated. That's why questions should be very simple and easy to understand. Yes no answer questions should be avoided. Of course you can put one question, one or two more questions, yes no type questions, but they should be meaningful and they should not only expect yes or no answer. Ask only one question at a time. Don't ask more than one question at the same time. एकाच वेळेला अनेक प्रश्न विचारू नका, एकच प्रश्न विचारा. So that you can focus on that particular aspect of that personality. Maintain the sequence and continuity of the questions. याच्यामध्ये एक लॉजिकल असा कोहिरन्स किंवा लॉजिकल अशी ऑर्डर पाहिजे. सो सिक्वेन्स शुड बी देअर अँड कंटिन्युटी ऑफ द क्वेश्चन शुड बी देअर. So you can ask about success, ideal person in life, past life, inspirational or motivational incidents, hard work, failures and support, role of family and friends, aim or ambition, message for young generation. In this way, this can be the sequence of the questions. Ask at least 8 to 10 questions. So not more than that. You have to frame 8 to 10 questions in the interview. Conclude the interview. After writing all these questions, you should conclude your interview because etiquette and courtesy are important in an interview. You know that good manners are very important. So saying hello at the beginning and thanking you at the end of the interview should be taken into consideration. Thank you for your precious time. You can say that. Wish you all the best for your bright future. In this way, you can conclude. Thank you for sharing your thoughts and experiences, your thoughts, ideas, plans, achievement. In this way, you can conclude. They are encouraging and inspiring. Thank you for the valuable time you have given. All the best for your future plans. In this way, you can conclude your interview. जेव्हा तुम्ही एखाद्या इंटरव्ह्यूचा एंड करणार असाल तेव्हा यापैकी एखादं एक्सप्रेशन तुम्ही वापरू शकता आणि तुमच्या इंटरव्ह्यूला तुम्ही कन्क्ल्यूड करू शकता. नाउ हिअर आर सम एक्झाम्पल्स. You are the class representative and you have been asked by the principal to conduct an interview of a cop. Cop means police. Frame 8 to 10 questions with the help of the following points. Give introduction and conclusion. So the points are given. Reasons for joining the department. Why he has joined that department of police. Special trainings if he have. Developing the skill to identify and locate criminals. So how he developed that skill to identify and locate criminals. Dealing with criminals. What is his experience while dealing with criminals. And achievements and awards. How many achievements and awards he has got in this field. So in this way you can frame questions for the interview of a cop or police with the help of these points. So here points are given and you have to frame the questions. Now here is the solution for this activity. Welcome Mr. Patil. You are most welcome. Congratulations on your excellent work as a best cop in Mumbai Police Department. May I ask you some questions about your life? So see here, we have greeted Mr. Patil, then we have welcomed him, then we congratulated for his excellent work and we have asked him the permission. So in this way, you start with these etiquettes and manners. Being a successful anti-terrorist squad leader, how do you feel now? So the first question is that he has success, that is he is called anti-terrorist squad leader. So he has got that position. So how do you feel now? In this way you can begin with. Who did inspire you to join this police department? So who was the inspiration behind this career? What are the reasons behind the joining of this department? What were the reasons? Sir, please tell us something about the different and special trainings that you have received and completed successfully. So here you are asking about his trainings and that is workshops he has received. How did you develop the skill to identify and locate the criminals? So this is a very good skill in the police. And how did he develop that skill? Sir, could you tell us something about your recent successful operation against the terrorist? So you are asking about his experience. What problems are you facing now while dealing with the terrorists and criminals? So, some challenges in his life, in his career. Sir, please tell us about your special achievements and awards that you received in your successful career as a cop. So, you are asking about his achievements and awards. Finally, what advice would you like to give for youngsters who want to join the police force? So, message for the next generation. Thank you for your precious time. Wish you all the best for your next anti terrorist operations. In this way, you can conclude this interview. So, this was the interview of a cop, and you could raise such questions in the interview. One more activity. Imagine you are going to interview some important personality, that is social worker. Prepare a set of 8 to 10 questions focusing on his or her social behavior and activities he or she carries out. So here the interview of social worker is asked, how would you begin? Welcome, sir. Good morning. Very glad to meet you. It is not necessary that you should take interview of only men. You can take interview of any woman also. So welcome, sir, or welcome, madam. Good morning. Very glad to meet you. As planned before, I would like to ask you some questions, please. So you are asking the permission. Sir, why do you want to become a social worker? So, what was the reason behind becoming social worker? Who did inspire and motivate you in your life? So, what was the inspiration? Sir, who is your icon in this field? Icon means your ideal personality. What problems and difficulties did you face in your past life? So, you are asking about the challenges, the experience. Sir, who did help you to overcome those problems and obstacles? So, whose help or whose support he had got? What are your achievements? You are asking about the achievement or success. To whom would you dedicate your success? So, who is the personality that you want to dedicate your success? Dedicate means samarpit karne. They say behind every successful man there is a woman. How true does this hold in your case? Means is it right for you that behind your success a woman, that your wife is there or mother is there? Which activities will you carry on in future? So what is your future plan? What is your message to young generation of India? In this way, last, you are asking about the message. Then you conclude, thank you, sir, for sharing your thoughts and experiences. Your thoughts, ideas, plans, and achievements deserve praise. जे कौतुकास पात्र आहेत. They are encouraging and inspiring. All the best for your future plans. In this way, you can conclude your interview. This was interview of a social worker. Now, in your examination, there can be two types of activities based on interviewing questions or framing questions for the interview. One is that the points will be given to you and you have to frame questions. Now, one table in tabular form will be given to you and you have to frame questions accordingly. So, one example is given here of tabular form. Imagine that you have to conduct an interview of national award winner teacher. So it is interview of maybe Ranjit Disley, that is national award winner teacher. With the help of the given table and points, draft questions on the given field associated with the personality. So some points are given in the table and you have to frame the questions accordingly. Do not change the sequence of the questions. So in the same sequence you have to put the questions. Name of the interviewee means that distinguished personality, that famous personality whose interview you are taking. Mr. Ramesh Kale. You can write any name here. Area of success, reputation. म्हणजे त्याला जे यश मिळालं आहे ते क्षेत्र कोणतं आहे? एज्युकेशन अँड ट्रेनिंग और एज्युकेशन अँड टीचिंग, बिकॉज ही इज अ टीचर. डेट, that is date of interview, venue, place of interview and time. So 21st June 2021, TV show, that is the place, and 10 a.m., that is the time. So you can write in this way. In this manner you can write date, venue and time. Duration of interview 45 minutes. So in this way you fill up this table with this primary information about that person and about the interview time and date. Now the questions. First point is given to you in the column early life struggle. So you can put the question, how do you look at your profession? Then hurdles in education. What difficulties did you face while working in remote areas as a teacher? So what challenges, what hurdles? Role model, inspiration. What things did motivate you to become a teacher? Even you can ask that when you were thinking about becoming teacher, then what were the hurdles? Hurdles means difficulties in your education. Role model or inspiration. What things did motivate you to become a teacher? Family support. What is the role of your family behind your success? First success or achievement. What was your first achievement and to whom would you owe your success? To owe means त्याच्या ऋणी असणे किंवा त्याच्याबद्दल कृतज्ञता असणे. Success plan. According to you, which factors are responsible for overall development of students? So what is your plan? Dreams unfulfilled. Sir, which activities will you carry on in future for your students? Means some activities are incomplete and you would like to continue with those activities, unfulfilled, incomplete activities in future. Message. What is your message to young generation of India? So in this way, you can conclude your interview. So in this way, table will be given to you and points will be indicated in the column, and according to those points you have to frame the questions. थोडक्यात तुम्हाला एक टेबल दिलं जाईल आणि त्यामध्ये काही पॉईंट्स दिले जातील, त्याप्रमाणे तुम्हाला ते टेबल फिलअप करायचे, क्वेश्चन्स तिथं फ्रेम करायचे. सो इट इज व्हेरी इझी बिकॉज पॉईंट्स आर गिवन टू यू. Imagine that you have to conduct an interview of distinguished personality in the field of sports. Sports person तुम्हाला interview घ्यायचा आहे. With the help of the given table and points, draft questions on the given field associated with the personality. Do not change the sequence of the questions. In this way, this activity will be asked to you. तुम्हाला अशाच पद्धतीचा एखादा क्वेश्चन असू शकतो. So name of the interviewee, that is distinguished personality, Miss Saina Nehwal. Area of success, reputation, sports. Date, venue or time, 21st June 2021, TV show, 4 p.m. Duration of interview, 45 minutes. In this way, you can fill up this information. Questions. Student life. What was your childhood hobbies and interest? So how was your student life? Early interest. What is the reason that you decided to be a badminton player? So what was your interest in badminton? Role model. Who is your ideal sports person and why? Primary training. Would you tell us about your trainings and fitness workout schedule? Opportunity. What opportunities did you get in your career as a sports person? Accomplishments means achievements, success. What are your special achievements and awards that you received in your career as a sports person? Target or goals or dreams unfulfilled means still your dreams are incomplete and you want to complete it. What are your future goals yet unfulfilled? Suggestion. What are your suggestions for the budding badminton players? Means young generation of badminton players. So in this way, this can be the last question. So students, we have discussed so far how to frame questions for the interview and how to begin with and how to conclude that interview. So I hope you might have understood all these points, and now you are able to frame questions for the interview. So some activities will be given in the form of assignment to you, and you have to solve these activities accordingly. Thank you. Thank you very much.